Hello guys, today I'm gonna demonstrate about a drone DJI Air 3S. So it comes with the different parts, like it is a RC controller. They have propellers and some backup propeller as well, one charger, and it has some extra lenses with it. Okay, and moreover it has three batteries, which is working approximately from 38 minutes to 41 minutes per battery. And it has a gimbal protection screen for it, so it works like this, in this way, right? So let's see how it works. So let me this one do for you. So here is this is a plug and play system, so you need to be very careful in that one. You should not make it more you should press like this and then it's done. Yeah. Similarly, it has A and B section. So A and B section, what you have to do, so you should be very careful with that one. You should not press too much with it. Okay, and it's very plug and play. And this one also similarly, you can do this one, and this one is done. Yeah. Okay, so so this one you should be little bit careful, because this one has propellers and the propeller is working. Yeah, this one is done. And the last one is you have to be, so these things these are kind of chairs for it, and these chairs you need to put it inside and then fix it. So this one is almost done. So for this one, making it on, you need to make the charge. There's a battery, so I need to plug off the battery first. So I plug this one off. Okay, and then for that one I need to insert it. Yeah, so this one you must be firm it to insert it properly. And then there are two buttons. You have to press two times. The first time it will on, and so it is not fully charged, and then you have to, yeah, so now it is, yeah, so it will be making it. So if you just keep pressing it, yeah, the battery for this one seems a bit low. So let me change this one. So you need to press it, and then this one you can keep it, and this one is let me try this one for it, because we have charged it, all the batteries. Yeah, so first press one time, and second time you need to keep pressing for 3 seconds. Yeah, now the lights will turn on. So the lights are turned on, so it's then ready to fly. So it has basically a different kind of sensors. The most important thing is the IMU. IMU is the inertial measurement unit, which works with the velocity, positions, and with the Kalman filter. It has a GPS to track the positioning. It also notes the initial, when it flies up, it notes the flying position. And third most important thing is the barometer. So it has some sensor barometer here, so that to see that where are what is the altitude. For example, if the air pressure is variating from the earth level, so it can measure that if it wants to land, so it can use the barometer and see whether it's safe to land, if the earth is nearby or not. And then it has a vision sensor. So these are gimbal. It has gyroscope, and it is very flexible. If you move it, it's very flexible as well. So this has this is for zooming. This camera is for zooming, and this one is for still camera. It has almost 48 megapixel and 16 megapixels for video and still images. Okay, so and this one, the controller, we have it. So it comes with these knobs. You need to make these knobs on. So first you need to plug in, and the second one you can make it these are kind of screws kind of thing. Okay, so it has three modes, slow mode, normal mode, and the sports mode. Sports mode is not recommended for everyone, for the new learners. So you can change it normal mode and slow mode. and this is like, you know, emergency landing, this button for it. Okay, and moreover, this button is just same thing. You need to press one time and then keep pressing, and it's on, right? So when it's on, so you need to connect this RC remote controller with the